The three shy puppies, together with Savvas and Jack and Jill, they move to a different area now. They grow up and they need a bigger area, so they move to a bigger area now. Jack and Jill. So beautiful. The three shy puppies, we still call them shy even if they are not shy anymore. And Savvas. They was in small areas. They was very sick from parvovirus. Now they are doing great, as you see, and they are in a bigger area now, and they have much place for them to go up and down. They are neighbors with Lily. This is Lily, Manos, Booby, Oscar is there. Oscar. The old guy, he's doing so much better now. Ninos. Pia. Much better place for the puppies. All of them safe. Jack and Jill. The shy puppies. I still call them shy. Savvas. Beautiful. Now they can play, they can run. Super. Tommy. Oscar.